Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is a square minus b square it's equal to 7. Then what is the value of a and b where a and b belongs to integer? So let's start. The given information is a square minus b square it's equal to 7. Look at the left hand side. Here we use a identity and we know that a square minus b square it's equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. The right hand side is 7. Now in our question it's given that a and b are belongs to integer, so that is why we find the integer factor of 7. So the integer factor of 7 will be 1 multiply 7, and the second factor will be 7 multiply 1, and third factor will be minus 1 multiply minus 7, and the fourth factor will be minus 7 multiply minus 1. So we copy the left hand side. This is a plus b multiply minus b. This is a plus b, a minus b. Now we call this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2, this is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. And one by one we solve all these four equations. So look at the equation number 1. This is a plus b multiply a minus b it's equal to 1 multiply 7. This implies that a plus b it's equal to 1 and a minus b it's equal to 7. Now in the next step, if we add these two equations, then this plus b and minus b will cancel, and this a and a will become a 2 time of a, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So in the next step, divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So this 2 and 2 will cancel, we just get a is equal to, divide 8 by 2 we get a 4. So the value of a is 4. Now in the next step, we substitute the value of a in this equation. So this equation is a plus b it's equal to 1, and a it's equal to 4. So 4 plus b it's equal to 1. In the next step, we subtract a 4 on both sides of this equation. So this will become a 1 minus 4 is equal to b. And the 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this is the value of b. Now we use the equation number 2, and equation number 2 is a plus b multiply a minus b it's equal to 7 multiply 1. So this implies that a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 1. Now we add these two equations. So plus b and minus b will cancel. This will become a 2 time of a. It's equal to 8. And in the next step, we divide this equation by 2 on both sides. We get a it's equal to 4. And look at this equation. If a is 4, then the value of b is minus 3. So the b is minus 3. So using equation 2 and 1, we get the same value of a and b. Now on the next step, we take equation number 3. So equation 3 is a plus b multiply a minus b it's equal to minus 1 multiply minus 7. So this implies a plus b it's equal to minus 1, and a minus b it's equal to minus 7. If we add this two equation, then this will become a 2 time of a, and this will cancel. Add minus 1 and minus 7, this will become a minus 8. Divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So this will cancel. We just get a it's equal to minus 4. So using equation 3, the value of is 4. Now we substitute this value in this equation, in first part of this equation. So this is a plus b, it's equal to minus 7, and so a is minus 4 plus b, it's equal to minus 1. Now we add a 4 on both sides. This will become a 4, it's equal to minus 1 plus 4, and minus 1 plus 4 is 3. So in this case the value of b is 3. Now finally look at the last equation. Equation number 4 is a plus b multiply a minus b, it's equal to minus 7 multiply minus 1. So this implies a plus b, it's equals to minus 7, and a minus b, it's equal to minus 1. If we add this to equation, then this will become a 2 times of a, this will cancel, and the right hand side is minus 8, and divide this by 2 on both sides. So this implies a, it's equals to minus 4. Now look at the equation number 3. If a is minus 4, then the value of b is minus 3. Then the value of b is 3. So this implies if a is equal to 4, then the value of b is minus 3. If the a is equal to minus 4, then the value of b is 3. Now verify this answer. The given question is a square minus b square, it's equal to 7. Now verify this answer. So a is 4. So 4 square will become a 16 minus b is minus 3, and the b square will become a 9. And 16 minus 9 is 7. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we verify this first part. Now look at the second part. The question is a square minus b square is equal to 7, and the a is minus 4. So a square will become a 16 minus b square will become a 9. So 16 minus 9 also equal to 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So we have done